I was looking for a data science class because due to the nature of my work and our company's entry into kind of the big data space, I had done a lot of reading on my own time and worked as I could kind of piecemeal on what was data science or machine learning. And I was really looking for a course that could provide structured curriculum and a real focus on practical application in a room full of other people with different experiences that could help to supplement that. So after 5 days, what I most enjoyed were the networking with other folks in the room, the students and also the instructors who are very passionate about data science. I really enjoyed, again, the hands-on application, so actually walking through some of these platforms, some of these techniques, some of these libraries that I had read about, and seeing a tangible result. I think that was most pleasing for me. I would recommend this boot camp because I've gone through it as somebody who had a basic understanding of machine learning and data science concepts. And now after the 5 days, I feel much more confident in my ability to go out and build and operationalize machine learning and data science based solutions for my customers.